intended to make sure that you enjoy whatever we are learning. Yeah, so in this course, we will start with basic alphabet. So for example, I would say how difficult it can get for people who have English background to learn German, and sometimes the accent and the way we pronounce an alphabet in English is quite different here in German. What we write, same way we read it, right? And vice versa. So here it is going to be a little bit different, and so my suggestion would be to not compare English or any other language with German. It has its own good things, or complicated, or whatever you can say, but it's a language overall. And when you learn like a child, right, then it becomes easier. Like a child is not afraid of making mistakes, and that's what I have believed, I have seen in my career, or in IT, as well as in any Sprache course, that when people are not afraid of making mistakes, then you learn fast, right? And if you think too much of grammar or something, it gets complicated, or you get afraid of speaking, and then it takes longer to learn this language, or any language, so as to say. So here in this course, we will start first of all with alphabet, how they are written, and there are alphabets which are similar to English, but the pronunciation is quite different. And as we go ahead in this course, then we will see several other topics as well. But for first few classes, I will set the agenda here. And as we complete this, we will again discuss about the coming topics. Yeah. So here, first of all, we will cover about the alphabet, how they are pronounced, how they are written, how do we actually read a text, how it is different from English, because when you read a text with English knowledge, it becomes, difficult. So you have to learn how it is done in German. Uh, I would suggest that forget what you have learned in English when you are speaking German, right? When you compare, it becomes complicated. Again, like a child, if you start, I don't think it's going to be difficult. Let's start with the basic alphabet, and that we can see in German. Yeah. All right. So hope you are able to see my screen now. So now I will just write here the alphabets, which is important, very important, the basic stuff here. Yeah. So all right. So now let me start with first the alphabets. I will read it, and you have to just read after me, spell it how I'm spelling. And it's very similar to English, but there are a few more which we will see here. Yeah, so this is A. And after I complete this, I will give proper notes here that you can see how we can pronounce this. And you have to practice after me. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Epsilon, and TZ. So here I have written down what is already there in German, and there are a few more. But before that, let's go slow, and I would say just go after me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, This is M, N, O, this is O, P, Q, and this is R, R. You have to pronounce from here, R, R, and S, T, U, V, W, X, epsilon, and this is called T-set. Yeah. So here there are few more things, few more alphabet that you have to keep in mind, and they are a little bit different how they are pronounced, and I will just write here 3 more, 4 more here. Yeah. So one is this is what we have already seen here. On top of that you see 2 dots. That's called umlaut. So the accent changes, the how you pronounce this word changes. So this is A. Okay. So this is another one, O umlaut, and this is U umlaut, and this is sh, sh. The sound is double S. This one and what you see here, okay, S. So if you write 2 times, sh, the sound comes like sh, and this is this, okay. So these are the alphabets that you have in German. So how we pronounce it, this is what we will see as we go to next topic here. We have separate practice sessions for how we practice a word using this alphabet. But first of all, let's concentrate here how these words are, these alphabets are written. Okay, so this is A umlaut, O umlaut, U umlaut, and sh. Yeah, this is the one. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, epsilon, T, Z. Now, if you just remember how a child learns any English class, in the English class, how they learn A, B, C, D, E, F, G, like that you have to practice like a child. So the language learning with me would be like a child. You have got nothing to be afraid of. It's just do like a child and make mistakes. There's nothing wrong about it. Okay, so if you fear about making mistakes, it will get very difficult. So let me make a song like how my daughter learned it. Okay, so this is called A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P. Like this, you have to make a rhyme. Okay, and then Q R S T U V W X epsilon T set. Yeah. So A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X epsilon T set. So you have to just say after me. Okay. So if you practice, just like you can pause the video and then practice like me. Okay. So just see what I'm telling you again, so that you see after me. Okay. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X epsilon T set, and these 4 we have already seen, right? So now I will give you the hint like how actually you can read this, and you can probably take a note or something and then practice it later. Yeah, so how this is read, I will just give you a English comparison, okay, which we should not do, but for ones who are finding it difficult, and they can try doing this. Okay, so now see ah this is English, okay, in bracket. So bay, this is sound like bay, and say here day, a, this is a, f, g, ha, e, yacht, ka. See here, ka, l, m, n, and then here o. This is how the phonetics. Okay, so and then this particular one, pe, ku. And this one is little bit different. Don't pronounce it like English. Okay, so this is r, like I said in the beginning, right? R. You have to make sound from here. Okay, and more you hear German videos or audios, then you will get accustomed of all this. Okay, so don't worry about it. But suggestion to make these things better is to hear as many videos, audios, news and possible, right? So now this one is s and t, u, fow, and then let me make it little bit proper, and this is way, and this is x, and this is epsilon. Yeah, so this how this is pronounced, and this umlaut one I will again teach you after some time. Okay, so first let's just see. This is epsilon and this is t set. Okay, and this one now you see here. For now, you can see what I'm explaining how to pronounce this, but we will see several other words for umlaut practicing. Yeah, so this is A. Like in Hindi, whoever has studied Hindi, for him it is or her it is very easy, like A, I, O, O. So this one is A, and this is O umlaut. Okay, so how you have to pronounce it, we will see with rounded lips. You have to put an oo, 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 oo. And here it is like in Hindi, the most you can say the resemblance is maximum with you. Yeah, you. But this is not exactly like you. Okay, but the in Hindi, yeah, and similar to that is you. Yeah, but there's no direct connection. You can say like exact alphabet or phonics here in English or Hindi, but this one is like o, see here, o, but you have to round this and practice o. Like here, there are several words. I will tell you how to pronounce it, but for now, this is sharp s, right? This double s. I told you already. So now, for example, if I just give you a word sch and then o umlaut, let me copy this over here, and so this in German means beautiful. Okay, schön, schön, schön. So how you have to pronounce this o umlaut, o, but you have to do it fast. So schön, schön. Okay, not yon, not on. It is in between. Yeah. So how you have to say o, round. This has to be rounded. So see here, ooh, ooh, schön, schön. Yeah. So more and more you hear several words, it will become easy. And yeah, so I hope this one is clear. And now let's move to some words that we will practice to make it easy. And before that, we will see some combination. If you get any doubt in what we have already seen, then pause the video, rewatch it, and I believe it will help you to, get a better understanding. Okay, so more and more, watch it, pause it, look at it again and again, and I believe that will make it very clear. So now let's move to few combinations of this alphabet, which are very, very critical and very important. Okay, so now let me write that here. Okay, I will just remove this from here. So now if you take a combination of I, E, I'm talking about English, okay? But in German it is E and this is A, yeah? So let me talk in German, okay? So how it is pronounced, okay? Okay, yeah, so this particular stuff, yeah? So the combination is I, E, right? English one. Yeah, so this is called in German. If you see these two alphabets in German, it is E. This is A. If you see any word with these two alphabet, this is pronounced as E. E, but it is long. Okay. For example, we will see some example for these things also. Okay, and we will read a text to understand how to read and all. But for now, just remember the first becomes the total pronunciation. So E. Okay, and now if it is I. Okay, so if you have like this and after that E, then it becomes I. The sound is combined sound is I. You have to remember. Okay, so in German it means eggs. Okay, so here means several eggs. Okay, so Aya. Okay, this is pronounced as Aya. So if you see EI, that is I. It is pronounced as I. So these four things you have to remember. Let me here write it, the combination. These are a little bit complicated for the people who are, coming from English background. Okay. So these two you have seen. Yeah. So now we have seen IE, that is called E. Here, this one is called I. The last one, this becomes English I, right? So this is how you pronounce it, I. This total combination is I. And this is E, okay? This is E, this is I. And when you see these two combination, A and U, that is called OI. OI, kya kar raha hai? Hindi we see, right? Similar. And this is pronounced as OI, okay? Like we have some words I will show you. Okay, so for example, let me write one word. Okay, yeah, so the currency for Germany, right, and in Europe, so this is euro, but it is pronounced in German euro. Euro, yeah, oi. This is oi, the first two. Yeah, this is oi, and R is not pronounced like R in English. I ergo. Yeah, so you have to practice more and more. You have to hear more German audios, videos, then you will understand it better. It will not happen in one day, but you have to continuously hear and grasp it. So this one is similar to the first one. So this is a umlaut and u. When you see, this is also pronounced as oi. Yeah, so hope you have understood these alphabets, and if you are getting doubts, then pause it, practice, hear it again and again, and practice it like a child. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Q, R, S, T, U, V, X, epsilon, TZ. So that was the alphabet, and we will see how to read this with the help of a text, and we will practice these things in the next sessions. Yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, and I hope you have liked it, and we will continue this session till we reach A1, and my intention is to make sure that you get a platform where each and everything is covered, not that half a part is covered, for half you are going to some other place. So each and everything I will try to put in here, so that if you once watch all these videos and practices again and again, I'm sure that it will help you to clear the exam, not just exam, but also to excel in German language. Thank you so much. Yeah, see you again. Bye.